From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for June 1st, 2017. Today we're going to be taking a look at the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, for today's trade analysis. And as we can see here on the daily time frame, this currency pair in the most recent weeks has been in an uptrend along the blue trend line on the right hand side of the chart. Clearly it broke above the black trend line. It was in a period of congestion ranging down here, broke above the black trend line, the yellow shaded area, and has been moving up ever since. Interesting enough, over the past few days we have seen the market push through the 100 period simple moving average here on the daily time frame. That's the green wavy line coming into the chart. So 100 period simple moving average. You can see historically around this blue shaded area, resistance, resistance, resistance. If I was to scroll out or zoom out a little bit, you can see resistance and even support along that blue zone. So we know that historically the blue zone is a trading decision point of resistance and support where buyers and sellers are exchanging hands. Zooming it back in, we can see, so we're sitting on top of that, what is now going to be support, the blue shaded area, what was resistance, now going to be support. 7070 down to 7045 is the blue shaded area. So we have the blue zone, historical support resistance, the 100 period moving average, and the blue trend line. One other aspect of the chart here is our Forex Black Book trend bar is green this week. So with it being green, that gives us a bullish bias. So we've stacked several clues and indicators together here to give us confidence that the trend is up, and that may be the best opportunity or direction for us to trade. Fibonacci from the low of the blue trend line to the highest high puts the 236 Fibonacci retracement level right at 7050, bottom of our blue zone, near the 100 period moving average in the blue trend line. We see the 382s down closer to 7005, so that's the orange shaded area here. The blue zone carries two potential outcomes. It's either going to stay on top of it, bounce off of it, go up in the direction of our current trend, or it's going to break underneath it and turn back lower. So we want to watch for evidence to those things. Today, coming up in about 20 minutes or so from the recording of this video, we do have some significant news for the U.S. ADP non-farm employment change. That may be a clue to what we're going to see coming up on non-farm payrolls tomorrow on Friday, but we also want to watch that for knee-jerk reactions in the market. Whatever that news ends up being at 8:15 Eastern U.S. time, we can see a knee-jerk reaction. If it's poor, if it's less than expected, we will likely see this bounce off the blue zone and push all the way to the next resistance level, which is clearly at this point, as we see yesterday, the purple shaded area. If it's significantly positive and good news for the U.S., the reaction may be a breakdown of the blue zone, and our next support is clearly the orange shaded area. You can see that back here where the blue circle is. So we know that there's those two potential outcomes. Technically speaking, with all of the indicators stacking together, the trend and momentum and moving average and support resistance, I believe this is a better buy, lower risk and higher reward, a buy or a long, than it is a short sitting on top of the support. The only reason I would think that this turns into a short is it breaks back underneath the moving average blue shaded area 7045. So at the current moment, I believe this is a better long technically than it is a short. We definitely want to watch the news coming up at 8:15 Eastern US time to see if the market changes its mind. Does the trend change to go back down, or will it continue the upside for the New Zealand dollar today?
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.